lovely day. I think I'm gonna get something out of the fridge. Ooh, pizza. So good. It sure is lonely. I'm gonna go chill in the backyard. I'm just checking up on all the plants. Making sure that they're watered. Okay, they look all good. Well, since I have nothing else to do, I'm gonna watch. I'm gonna watch TV. I'll watch cop things. Most Wanted. And that's in Brookhaven too. Well, I probably have nothing to worry about. I'm gonna go upstairs, and plus I have nothing to worry about. So I'm gonna chill in my room. But first I have to take a dump.
Her door down.
First I have to take a dump. What's that noise? I'm just trying to take my poop in peace. Let me wash my hands.
Go to the backyard. Where do I hide? I'll hide right here. She might have heard that. I'll wait till she goes to sleep.
Okay, it's kind of getting pretty late, so I'm gonna turn off. Actually, before I go to bed, I'm gonna take a nice chill
What's she
break.
doing up there? Okay, I guess I'll just try and... destroy.
Okay, I'm going to my bed now.
Choo. 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 Okay, let me break the locks on her doors. Let me break the locks on her doors. Choo. 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 Okay. Wait, actually... Okay, it's off. Let me break the locks on her other door. There we go. Okay, it's time to go.
I'm gonna go get me a midnight snack.
Oh no, I hear her coming down.
Oh, why did I turn on those lights? It's so bright.
I killed a mosquito for you.
What do I want?
No, she's right there.
I want...
She hasn't seen the broken locks.
Ooh, ice cream. This stuff is bussin'. Okay.
Sorry,
Oh,
I
wait.
think a mosquito just went up my ear.
Okay, I'm just gonna turn off the TV. Because, like, that's running down electricity. Okay, I'm gonna turn off all the lights.
I'm in the window. Okay,
Okay, I'm gonna turn off all the lights. Oh, wait, how did I forget to lock the door? Silly me. I'll just leave these lights on for now. Okay, well, I'm going back to bed now. Wait, first I gotta turn off all these lights because I don't want to run down my electricity. Actually, I like keeping on the bathroom light. Okay, time to go to bed.
Okay, I'm in her house. Don't know if she's asleep yet or not. But I can smaller. I have to rob her safe, but I don't know where her safe is. It might be in her room. Guess I gotta dress in all black. Okay, I mean, I guess that's good.
Morning already. I'll get up at 6 because I have to go to work.
Oh crap, she might have to go to work. I have to blend in with the refrigerator.
Morning already. Okay, well, I'm going to take a morning dump.
She'll never find me here, unless I make a noise.
What a lovely morning. Do I have any leftover waffles? Oh, yes, I do. Okay, now I'm going to go to work, and then I'm going to go get Starbucks. What is that noise? Oh, wait. Never mind, it was just a fire crackling. Let me turn that off. Jeez. Jeez, fire, you sure be crackling. Okay, well, I'm not going to worry about it. And I'm going to go to work.
Okay, I think she's gone. Time to go break in her house.
Wait, silly me.
I think she's coming back. I saw the car.
I forgot something.
I saw the car.
Oh, wait, it's Sunday. Silly me, I don't have work today.
Oh no, she doesn't have work. It's Sunday. Come on.
Actually, first I gotta go grab something, and I'm gonna go get Starbucks.
So
Never mind, they shut down yesterday. Silly me, I'm just losing my mind. Okay. Well, actually, I'm gonna hang out downstairs.
Oh no.
Oh my goodness, I love this channel. I'm kind of tired. I'm just gonna take a nap.
Okay, I think it's my time.
Emery has a nightmare.
Okay, I think it's my time to shine. I gotta run upstairs.
This show's boring.
Oh no, she didn't see me. Shut that up to notice me. Okay, I gotta go hide in our bathroom sink.
I'm gonna go back in my room. Actually, I'm gonna go do something.
Honk shoe, honk shoe. Oh no. Wait, I might have to sit down. Okay, I'm good. She'll never see me. Unless she looks at her sink. But she's gotta wear.
Here, I need to unlock my doors so I can come in my jacuzzi. Oh, wait, silly me. Why am I swimming with my clothes on? Let me go in the bathroom and go change. Here, I'm gonna change. I'm gonna change. Okay, time to go swimming. I really need to buy a pool. Ah, nice and hot. Just how I like it.
So I can't rob her safe right now or she'll know. So I'm gonna go inside her plants. Sorry, I freaked out. Mosquito. So I'm gonna, okay, I gotta stand up kind of freaking fat. I feel like this is way worse. But it will have to do.
This neighborhood is very beautiful. Okay, I'm done.
I know I'm close to her now. I know she might see me.
I think I'm gonna go to my basketball court.
You can change that into a pool, girl. Okay, I'm gonna rob her safe now. Oh crap, it's not in here. Where's her safe?
Actually, I'm too bad at basketball.
Oh no, where do I hide? I guess I have to hide.
It's premium. Okay.
Where do I hide? I guess I'll hide in this plant aside her cozy.
That's what we're doing.
I'm so scared. So scared what if she finds me?
I have a funny feeling about this house. I feel like someone's here.
No one's here. You have no imagination.
Huh, who's that in the security? Oh, silly me, that's just me. Just investigating. Nothing seems off. Oh, shoot. What's that noise? What was that?
Oh no! She might see. Oh shoot!
I gotta make sure that all these plants are watered. This plant seems oddly laughy. Come out! I won't arrest you. Come on.
Oh gosh. She can't find me. I'm so scared. Maybe I'll blend in with the jacuzzi. Oh!
Hey! I knew that something was off. Come out.
Put your hands up!
You can't do anything with me, Missy, with that water gun.
Excuse you? This is not a water gun. This is a real gun, and I will shoot you. I won't hesitate to shoot you. This is a real gun.
Girl, you just
Oh no, it
transformed.
disappeared. Wait, where'd it go? Well, see you later.
And never come back here again.
Oh, I'm gonna break into her house tonight. Oh no, she might be chasing me.
Girl, you can't run from me.
Oh, but I can.
Oh, no, you can't.
Oh, but I can.
Wait, what was I doing again? Oh, yeah, I was coming to get ice cream.
Oh no. Oh my gosh, this might be my chance to break into her house again and steal all her money.
Actually, I don't think I was getting ice cream.
Oh no, I gotta go back up here.
I'm going on a vacation. Let's go. I cannot wait for this vacation to Hawaii. Now tell them to just sit here and wait. Oh, why did it get canceled? Well, time to go back home.
Okay, I'm gonna have her house again and she will never know. Because I'm super secret-y this time. And I'm way smaller than I was. For God's sakes, I'm 0.5. Oh, shoot!
Okay, I'm just gonna watch the squirrel video. Because I like how they can fit a lot of nuts in their mouth. Okay, I like how they can fit like a lot of pecans in their mouth. That's pretty cool. Because then they're like chubby. And I like chubby. Oh my goodness, look at that fox. Over there.
That's a dog.
Oh yeah, it's just someone walking their dog outside. What in the world?
No!
You again. Where'd you go?
You're in a dream. You're in a dream.
I found you.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Person. You will never step a foot on this property again.
You know what I will set foot on?
You
You know what I will set foot on? Step foot on your phone and break it.
Goodbye. That was a total of 20 minutes.